How many times larger is a 10-pound dog than a hamster weighing 5/8 of a pound? So a hamster is a lot smaller than a large dog. In this case, they want to know how many times larger. So if we had the weight of a hamster and we multiplied it times some number, we would have to get the 10-pound dog. So let's insert 5/8, because a hamster is 5/8 of a pound times some number has to equal 10 pounds. Now when we're solving for an unknown, if we do the inverse operation, we should be able to solve for the unknown. So the opposite of times 5/8 would be divided by 5/8. So what we're trying to say is, I guess if we could even write this as a fraction, which looks a little bit funny, we would be saying that we are dividing this side here by 5/8, and if you divide 5/8 by 5/8, you're going to get 1, so it cancels. So we end up with n equaling, okay, let's go back up a little bit. Now in order to keep an equation balanced, we have to do the same thing on one side as we do to the other. So if we're going to divide this side by 5/8, we also have to divide this side by 5/8. So I divided by 5/8. So now we end up with 10 divided by 5/8. Now we know from experience that when we divide by a fraction, what we're actually doing is multiplying by its inverse, or its reciprocal. So we flip the second fraction here and we multiply. Nice that we can simplify before we multiply, because we have a common factor here, or common multiple, however you want to look at it. We could go 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now we can multiply across. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. So you'll know we end up with that the dog is 16 times heavier than a 5/8 pound hamster.